In this quick video, I will show you how to know when projects are listed on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to dashboard here, go to settings on the left side, and then on the on-site notifications, click manage, and then enable Binance News. Click save, and then just go through security verification, type down your authenticator code, and you will be able to receive the on-site notifications in Binance. If you want, you can go to twitter.com/Binance and then follow them. Turn on notifications here, so you'll be able to receive notifications when projects are listed on Binance, because Binance is more active on Twitter. And if you have any questions about how to know when projects are listed on Binance, leave a comment below.